Are millennials eating their feelings? That's the question being asked by medical professionals all over the country because stress eating numbers are on the rise. 38% of adults say they've overeaten or eaten unhealthy foods in the past month because of stress, and half of these adults say they do this at least every week. We often associate stress eating with older adults, but did you know that millennials are actually more likely than any other generation to stress eat? 50% say they've done so in the past month, compared to 36% of Gen Xers, 36% of boomers, and 19% of matures. Today, I met with Becca DeWitt, a dietitian and nutritionist from Nutrition LLC in Huntsville. She told me that it's not uncommon for there to be a link between your mood, lifestyle, and eating habits.
A lot of times it's just habit, especially if you are stressed, you don't have time to prepare meals. If you don't have time to prepare meals, you go through a fast food restaurant.
She says that stress eating can actually turn into a dangerous habit and can leave lasting effects.
When you eat things for comfort, a lot of times it does make you feel good for a short amount of time, but then there's long-term effects. So I really like potato chips, and when I eat them immediately I feel good, but if I continue eating them for a long period of time, lots of bad side effects can come, like you can gain weight or just feel sluggish, and it doesn't have a sustainable energy.
So why do millennials, the youngest adults, have the highest tendency to overeat?
Millennials are really busy. They're going to school, they're working, and to sustain that busy lifestyle with enough energy, it's important to have that balanced diet because that's where you get your energy from.
But she says preparation can really help curb the negative impacts of turning to food when you're under stress. Try meal prepping or bringing a few snacks to work. It'll help combat that workplace anxiety. Next time you find yourself struggling to overcome a hectic day, try reaching for some stress-busting foods like blueberries, pistachios, yogurt, avocado snacks, or even some dark chocolate. Studies show that the antioxidants in cocoa actually trigger the walls of your blood vessels to relax, lowering your blood pressure and improving circulation. Pinning the Valley First, Sydney Stallworth, WZDX News.